everyone, my name is Sunisha and I'm 18 and I'm very blessed to be here today in Pakistan to share with you my experience. First of all, when we landed here, I felt really welcome not only by the Hotel Grand Nexus but by the citizens of Pakistan, because when they spoke to us, they made us feel like we were so welcome. I was honestly and frankly very scared to make my trip over here because of all the things people would say, but when I came here, it was something I never thought would be, and like everybody spoke to me differently. So I think that was an extraordinary experience, and what I'm so blessed for is that I came all the way here and I managed to go back to my ancestral times and go and visit all the Gurdwaras where Guru Nanak lived his childhood, and it's such a blessing because when I visited all the Gurdwaras, it was honestly an extraordinary feeling. And not only we did the yatra, but we got to go to the museum and learn about Maharaja Ranjit Singh. So this trip wasn't just a blessing, but I got so much of knowledge about this, and I'm so grateful for Uncle Baldev to plan this trip so well, because we sat a week before and planned this trip and organized where we would go, and he explained each detail to us on which all the history of each Gurdwara and all the upbringings of Pakistan. So I was really interested and I went back myself, researched, and when I made it here and I visited everything, I felt like everything meant so much to me. So I really want more people to come and experience what I did, because this trip was different than any other trip I've gone for. It's not just a holiday that everybody would go for. And with us, we had a wonderful tour guide. So on the way itself, we had Sonu Viji with us, and he explained each details of the history behind. And you see, when we come to visit a country, we want the feelings of people over here. We want to know about the land, and this time I feel like that's what I got, and I'm more than happy. And I only have Baldev uncle to thank for, and the government of Pakistan for giving us this wonderful opportunity to let us come here and relive all the memories again. Thank you so much.
Well, where do I begin with? I mean, where do I begin with? I mean, we had such a great hotel. I mean, we stayed in Luxus Grand Hotel. I mean, the people here, the team members were just amazing. The way they took care of us, the way they treated us, the way they showed the respect, the way they basically gave us all the hospitality. It was just amazing. I think the hotel itself, when I start from, it's amazing because when you come in, you feel so welcome, you feel great, you feel so valued basically. And not only that, from the hotel itself, when you start you start with a good food and you go on forward, you feel more happy, you feel more blessed. And later on, as we went on with our journey, the people of Pakistan were just tremendously amazing. I mean, the way they cared, the way they loved, the way they showed their compassion toward us, it was just amazing. The number of people which came up to us, me and my dad, to take a selfie, to take a picture with us. I think we felt like celebrities for once. I mean, it's something where you don't get to feel on a day-to-day basis. It's something so valuable, and it was just so amazing. We used to went from malls, or when we used to go to when we went to museums, everywhere there were so many people. And when they look at the pagdi, when they look, for us it's our crown, and to see them also valuing it, it just makes us so happy, and to share it with them, so it was a wonderful experience, definitely, to feel like a celebrity. And then later on, I thank Baldev ji so much for organizing everything to allow me and my sister to do kirtan in Punjab Sahib, in Nankana Sahib, and I feel truly blessed because not everyone is able to get this chance, and it's truly a blessing, and it just makes you feel so happy and so grateful that you have this opportunity to do kirtan in such a powerful and blessed place. It's an experience that I'll never forget in my life, and it's just an amazing feeling. Throughout our journey, we visited many Gurdwara, we visited many places with significant importance, and we learn a lot of history. You see, when you read about something or you hear about something, it's just one part to it, but when you see it, when you feel it, and you learn and understand about it more, it brings your understanding to another level, and it helps you jive both those ideas together, and it just links, and you find it so interesting when you go back in history. How can you connect all these dots and points? Maharaja Ranjit Singh was such a great man. When we went to the fort, when we went to the museum to see about him, I think what he has done is truly remarkable. It's amazing to see what our ancestors has done in the past, and to be able to see that, I think I thank the Pakistani government and the rest of the authorities who take care and preserve these artifacts very, very well, to allow us to come and see them and visit it. So it's truly an amazing experience, and I'm very, very thankful for even our tour guide Sonu Virji, who explained to us, who was with us throughout the journey, who helped us so much, was there from day one to the last minute. Needed anything, he was there. He helped us all the way, and I'm truly grateful. I'm very, very happy. Right? Thank you, Ji.
Hello everyone, I'm Jasjeetna Kaur, and this is my first time here in Pakistan, and we were very worried before coming here, and in fact we had so many meetings with Maldiv uncle, but it was very well planned, and we really enjoyed this trip. Before coming we were very worried, but it was an amazing trip, and we experienced the countryside in many cities. You get to see differences between Pakistan and back home in Malaysia, and I would really like to thank Baldev uncle for all the arrangement he's made for me to do Kirtan in various Gurdwaras, such as Gurdwara Dera Sahib in Lahore, Gurdwara Panja Sahib, and Gurdwara Nankana Sahib. I think I had an amazing experience, very knowledgeable, and I think it was a great experience to play the Rabab in the Gurdwara Nankana Sahib after many decades, and I truly enjoy it and will treasure it at the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.